see. Good morning. My crazy hair. I really gotta attempt to get a haircut this weekend. I work every day. It's 25 degrees out here in Rhode. Man, $1,400 quote for a muffler. Another $7 and change for brakes. My inspection is due this month. I have until the end of February to get it done. I got a few numbers to call for some quotes. I'm freezing. I gotta go to work and I don't feel like doing that either. I'm tired, I'm stressed, as you can see. I still don't feel right, and I still haven't heard anything about my CAT scan. I have a couple of doctor's appointments, and I have a follow-up in a few days. Well, actually, I think next week. And I think I'm going to see if I can at least get a regular x-ray and see if this pneumonia is gone. I've been getting really congested lately. Breathing has been a little bit improvement, which is good. I'm just not myself. My eyes, I got bags under them. This weather don't help either. I don't know. You know, I'm blessed in a lot of ways. I just don't understand. I see so many not so nice people living life to the fullest with no stress. And us good people with good hearts struggling. It's like you relieve one stress for another. Fix one thing and then I don't know. How do you be positive? I'm trying, but how do you be positive? Count your blessings, I guess. Count your blessings. Alright. Well, enjoy your day. Stay safe, stay warm. 25 degrees here in Rhode. Catches on the later. What the hell is that? I don't know. I gotta go to work and I'm not feeling it. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Peace out.